if you've got one of those. And I'm going to go ahead and put these screencasting keys on, which I have neglected to do. So, we're going to go ahead, get rid of the default cube. We'll go to add, and we'll go to plane. I'm going to rotate this by 90, and just scale it outwards. And what I'm going to do, let's go to shading tab. We're going to go new. And what I'm going to do is we'll go to add, and we'll go noise. Colour to base colour. What you want to do, essentially, is get a colour ramp in here as well. So let's go add colour ramp. Wherever the colour ramp has gone, where have you gone? Colour ramp right in the middle right there. Just contrast it in just ever so slightly so you kind of get that nice little edge going on. And what we're going to do is we're just going to go and scale this to a point where we've kind of got this nice little pattern going halfway, or at least half and half of a pattern. So you can distort, so you can put this nicely. Let's go with roughness. Let's see what we can do with that. Okay, we just need something like this, essentially. Okay, so what we can do, I'm just going to pull the details in. Maybe pull this white over a little bit. You want something that's stark contrast. So try and minimize the shadows that you've got within this. We're going to go to layout. And what I'm going to do is view. We'll go align view, camera to view, so that we've got this. And we're going to go add. And we're going to go, you can go icosphere or you can go UV sphere. It's totally up to you. So this should be in front right now. Right click, shade. I'm just going to go ahead and split the atom so you guys can see a side view of what's going on. So, you've got your camera right here. You've got your plain background right here. I'm just going to get rid of this light just here. And then you've got the ball that's in front. So what I'm going to do is press G. I'm going to go ahead and move this across, scale this in. And what we want to do, essentially, is we want to take this camera just around the outside. We're going to go camera right here. Let's go depth of field. Little pointer that we've got. Attach it to the sphere and then lower your f-stop. So the idea is when we render this, this background should be blurred. So if I pull the f-stop up, you can see how it focuses in. If I pull this back, you can see how it focuses out. Now, the focus isn't too great, and what I want is a little bit of a better focus. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press G, and I'm going to bring this back. So we've got this nice little blurred background. And to fill the sides right here, we're going to go ahead and press S for scale.